Installing Sterling Accord showers. Secure the felt pad down to the subfloor. Center with the basin and cut an X in the felt pad at the drain outlet location. Install the drain to the receptor. Refer to the drain manufacturer's instructions. Move the receptor into position. Make sure the receptor is level. If the receptor is not level, shim between the receptor and subfloor. Install plastic attachment clips at each stud location. At the center of the stud, slide the plastic clip between the flange of the receptor and the stud. Secure each clip to a stud with a galvanized or plated screw. If the gap between the clip and stud exceeds 1/8 inch, shim before securing. Repeat this procedure for the remaining plastic clips. Secure the drain fitting to the drain pipe. Refer to the drain manufacturer's instructions. Install the back wall. Engage the tabs on the back wall with the slots in the unit and lock the back wall into the clips on the unit. Mark hole locations for the faucet components on the end wall. Remove the end wall. Determine hole sizes required for faucet components. Make sure the escutcheon, flange, or cover plate will be large enough to cover the drilled holes. Always follow the instructions included with your valve and fittings. Drill holes for the components. Reinstall the wall clip if previously removed. Install the end walls by positioning the end wall top pin into the back wall pivot joint and pivot the wall into its position until the wall clip engages it. Repeat this procedure for the remaining end wall. Make sure the end walls are flush against the top edge of the unit. Make sure the gap between each wall and the top edge of the unit is less than 1/32 inch, or the thickness of a credit card. Starting from the bottom of the end walls and working up, secure the end walls to the studs about every 12 inches. Do not over-tighten the screws. Verify that the walls are plumb before securing to the studs. Add shims between the wall flange and studs prior to securing with fasteners. Install the finished wall material, leaving a 1/8 inch gap between the edge of the wall surround and the finished wall material. When sealed, this gap will reduce the possibility of water seeping into the wall material. Seal the seams between the shower and the finished wall material with 100% silicone sealant. Allow the silicone sealant to cure according to the sealant manufacturer's instructions. Complete the faucet trim and shower door installation. Check for leaks. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for each of these components.